why buying a loft could be a fantastic investment. Number one, absolutely unique features and aesthetics. Lofts can sometimes have exposed ductwork in the ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows, just an overall cool vibe. That is absolutely number one. Number two reason a loft could be a great investment is location. Location, location, location. Most times, lofts are located in urban areas of our city, which includes close proximity to the light rail, shopping, restaurants, freeways, etc. Number three, low maintenance. Lofts, just like condos, are notoriously low maintenance, where you have a homeowner association that maintains the common area, common grounds. Number four, good opportunity for rental returns. The reason being is that most lofts are located, again, in great areas of town. Great meaning close to entertainment, freeways, shopping, work, etc. Therefore, they are in high demand for rentals. If you found this video helpful, share it with a friend, like it, give us a comment, and if you have any further questions, call me at 602-989-7900.